3, 2, 1.
Hola camioner, it's Paulo Vasquez here from another episode of
Blenderhead. Haha. It's not Pablo. I love that guy. His positive energy is so infectious. We're lucky to have him. Anyway, I wish he were here. Be a cool guy to hang out with, I think. So this episode is about randomness. We use randomness in 3D often to enhance realism. We want like variation amongst things like, say, a ground cover of leaves. We'll like instance a leaf, and we want variation in color, or we're instancing trees or what have you, and we want the trees to look different. Of course, randomness can look really cool in motion graphics too, like you saw in this opening animation. This is the scene without all the different monochromatic blue colors, and I just want to show you. This is probably going to be the quickest Blender tutorial ever. So we'll just jump into the shading tab, and the object that is being instanced, I've got it selected, and I've broken it up with these two slots. The side is this metallic blue, which I thought would be really cool. So when these things go up and down, they reflect into the sides of these little Blender. This part of the Blender logo, they call it the socket. Kind of interesting fact for you there. So now if you go into the top, it's just a black BSDF right now. And if we want to add all the colors, it's as simple as adding a color ramp, like so. And then we can plug our colors into that. I'll make that, add a blue in there, add another one there, and add a kind of the turquoisey blue, and you can add another one in there, and I'm going to actually make this a lot darker. Ooh, way dark, like that. And then rather than have these fade like this, I'm going to actually go to constant, and that kind of breaks them up like that, so like so. And you can add as many colors in here as you want. The way this works is the part of this bar that's the largest will represent the predominant color in your instances here. To randomize these amongst the instances, we need an object info node. So we're just going to go like this and go, and we just take the random channel, put it into the factor, and we can take the color and put it right into the base. And there you go. It's that easy. You don't have to stop here. You can do things like animate a noise in here. You can add a mix between the principal BSDF and the material, and add a completely separate channel for an emission. And then right now it looks like we've got an emission on here because the bloom is cranked up so much. That's really all there is to it.